Hello, you're very welcome to our video here today on the River Moy here in Oldcastle on the Saturday, the August 20th. And we've had quite a significant amount of rain last night, and basically rained all night, and even the last number of days this nice drop of rain, but it hasn't made much of a difference to the river. And that is probably because we've had a nice bit of dry weather, and the lands around are dry. So it's just been taken in by the land, of course, as you would expect. And I just thought I'd show you this perspective for a couple of reasons. One, it's very, very windy, and you probably won't even hear me speak, but that you might be saying, oh gee, that's a bit nice for a change. But here we have the river. You can see those few rocks that's down on the riverbed down there. Any sharp eye see any salmon along there? Probably not, but then again, you never know. I'll just go over here to show you the river shoal. It is very low, really, and but this is nice fresh water that has arrived, and if it'll make its way down, thought I'd show you just from this perspective. All the rivers in Europe are really suffering. The Po, the Rhine, the Seine, all of them, and many more. And of course it affects them in different ways. At least here we're thinking of England, but they're thinking of energy and navigation and other purposes. So with all of this dry weather, what is a concern from a European perspective is that the water is actually becoming very warm, and possibly too warm for the likes of salmon and trout I suppose especially, although I believe they've been known to die when the river temperatures are just get too hot, and we're probably not facing that, although it is certainly a risk. And I'll just show you here upriver. We'll move out into the sea upriver. Thanks so much for joining us. Thanks for subscribing. Do take care of yourself.